Hello wonderful viewers, welcome to my series Stay Review. I'm Stormy. I explore pretty places, as a part of which I have to stay at some beautiful places. In this series, you will see my honest review on the places I stay, like hostels, hotels, cottages, caravans, tents, whatever. I am on every social media as Stormy. Make sure to stay connected to follow this journey. For today's review, we are going to Llandudno, which is one of the largest seaside resorts of Wales. We are staying at a hotel called Montclare. All the shops, restaurants, bars are very nearby. You guys won't be able to find any parking spots in this road. The town hall car park is just at 2 minutes walking distance. The pier and most of the attractions are just on walking distance. The reception area at the ground floor is so well organized. I really loved the interior. It's a shame that they don't offer breakfast, but you are staying right at the city center, so no big deal. The corridor itself matches the calm and cozy vibe. Massive mirrors for outfit check. Look at the interesting piece I found. Do you think it is really from Titanic or just a copycat? Comment guys, what do you think? Now let's explore the room. The room itself is comparatively smaller in size, but the aesthetic interior really surprised me. The lighting is very clever. These are on the walls, which saves the space on the bedside drawers. The wooden frame gives you that comfort to get into the room as up and relax. On the other sides, the use of the light, wallpapers and the giant mirror is again really very clever. Creates an illusion to make the room look bigger. The usual tea, coffee, kettle beds, and a husband who loves to ruin my videos. Okay, let's move to the toilet side. Very practical design to utilize the whole small space. You see the artistic touch, but the elements don't contradict each other. I loved how the wooden frames matching the bedroom is also included here. The light on the mirror is my favorite feature. Very handy for your makeup and hairdo. Honestly guys, I can spend the whole day in this toilet. You would feel prettier than your usual self if the surrounding is like this. The view on the window is another attractive feature. You get either the sea view or the mountain view. Imagine waking up to this wonderful view. My personal rating is 8 out of 10 for this hotel. Here's the address for your convenience. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share. Your engagement really inspires me to make new videos. Have a good day.